Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell Squarespace templates on Etsy in 2025. Selling templates on Etsy can be a great way to monetize your design skills and help small business owners and entrepreneurs create professional-looking websites. First, you need to create a Squarespace template that is unique, well-designed, and meets the needs of your target market. Start by identifying your niche and researching what types of templates are in demand. Use Squarespace's template builder to create a template that is fully customizable and easy to use. Once you have created your template, you need to prepare it for sale on Etsy. This includes creating a zip file that contains all the necessary files, including the template itself, a README file with instructions, and any other supporting files. You should also take high-quality screenshots of your template to use in your Etsy listing. Next, you need to set up your Etsy shop and create a listing for your template. This includes writing a detailed description of your template, including its features and how it can be used. You should also set a competitive price for your template based on its quality and the demand for similar templates. To optimize your listing for search, you should use relevant keywords in your title and description, and make sure your template is categorized correctly. You should also use high-quality images and consider offering customization services to make your template more attractive to buyers. After you have set up your listing, you need to market your template to potential buyers. This can include promoting your template on social media, using paid advertising, and reaching out to bloggers and influencers in your niche. You should also provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation and encourage repeat business and referrals. Finally, you should continuously monitor and improve your template and listing to ensure it remains competitive and meets the needs of your target market. This includes keeping your template up to date with the latest Squarespace features and best practices, and gathering feedback from customers to make improvements. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully sell Squarespace templates on Etsy and build a profitable business. Remember to stay focused on providing value to your customers and continuously improving your products and services to stay ahead of the competition.